Here's just some thoughts around how we can do some small, consistent training design that allows for those small and consistent steps. So break it up is a really obvious one, and this is beyond just making shorter trainings and the idea of microlearning, but really we often tell those in sales positions not to try and make the sale in one call, and we should be thinking about the same thing in learning. We should be thinking about how, if we've got lots of objectives we want to achieve, how can we break them up? How can we focus and prioritize trainings which are just targeting one behavior, which might start that positive loop that will lead to that new neural pathway? And we can help by doing that by providing a suggestion of where people can start. So end every training or every deliverable with some choices of takeaways they can do. What's one small step that someone can take? It's not too difficult, it doesn't feel too hard, but it's something they can do, and providing those options as well makes it more likely that people will be able to tap into that personal motivation and what they care about. And then we can reinforce and reward that. So all other touch points should be focusing on how we can reinforce and reward that behavior. And again, as I talked about with nudges previously, making sure those nudges we're doing are really continuing to reinforce those positive messages, keep tapping into those reward pathways. Also, another thing I think is really important in all of this is encouraging that self-reflection. Is a process. The brain needs space. We need to reduce that cognitive load. So we need to provide the time and space for our learners to reflect and self-monitor.